How to turn on Reddit email notifications on Reddit. Hello guys, how it's going? Today I will teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in the channel. So let's start. First you will just go to your Reddit and then open it. And after this, when you open Reddit, it will open like directly on your home. You just go here to your profile icon, then you will go to settings here and you will click, and then you will go to account settings, and then you will go to manage emails, and you will go here to unsubscribe from all emails, and you will turn off this, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.